Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Thursday, February 3rd, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 7 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Apologize for my voice here, kind of catching a little bit of a cold. So I'm going to make this video a little short and sweet here. Started out, we were also in still in a range environment from yesterday. We had that back and forth. So this morning, same thing. Taking every signal, you would have started out just kind of getting chopped up a little bit. T1 minus 2 on the first. We ended up crossing down to the downside. Got a false signal here. Touched our T1 but didn't fill us. T0 minus 14 on that particular one. And then another T1 minus 2. So before 10 a.m., had you taken all of these signals, you would have had 3 stop outs in a row. 2 of them for T1, 1 of them T0. But there was the same edge yesterday. We had that pivot was acting as our upper edge today, so there was a couple opportunities for edge trades off the pivots. But again, taking the signals, you would have had a few false signals. It wasn't until after the 10 o'clock news that we actually broke down out of our range, and that was our first time that we got a real signal basically in 2 days. And we broke down, and we got a nice fast move. We set up an extension entry, ended up being targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 14 ticks. Went in, put in, found support right at 10:15. There was a long-term support level there that you can see on some of your longer term time charts. Bounced off that level, kind of meandered back and forth here as it came through the moving average. Finally, it wasn't until about 10:40 that you got a signal long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the outside for 6 ticks. And then right before the lunchtime dead zone, we did get another move through our moving average to the downside, gave a signal short. Got a T1 minus 2 on that, and then ultimately the market turned around and started heading higher for the rest of the day. There was a signal that fired right after lunchtime, and it would not have filled. It just touched it to the tick, so we're not going to count it on this video. The market moved higher, went back up to our previous day's close, kind of went back and forth between that close and open. Looked like we were going to get into another series of just back and forth chop price action there, and we actually did a bit. And then it finally let loose to the upside, gave a signal long, targets 1 and targets 2, as the market ultimately pushed higher. So we ended up regaining yesterday's high and then some. So again, sorry for the short video, just a little under the weather here. 7 trades for 7 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.